Good morning, students. Yesterday class, twelfth term of a GP whose eighth term is 192. Find the twelfth term of GP whose eighth term is A8 is given 192 and common ratio R is given 2. Find 12th term. Here 8th term is given and common ratio is given. We have to find 12th term. A8 means A R power 7 is equal to 192. Prime factorization of 192. 2 9 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 48 ja, 2 24 ja, 2 12 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 96 ja, 2 48 ja, here A into R power 7, 2 power 7 is equal to 192. A is equal to 192 by 2 to the power 2 power 7 means 128. A is equal to 192 by 128. It is in previous class 2 9 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 64 ja, 16 6 ja, 16 4 ja, 3 2 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja. That is equal to 3 by 2. A is equal to 3 by 2. R is equal to 12 term. A12 is equal to R to the power of 7. That is equal to 3 by 2 into 2 to the power of 11. In 11, 1 2 cancel. 3 into 1024. That means 2 to the power of 10 value. Answer is 3072. In yesterday class, this one is completed. So next problem. In geometric progression, 162, 54 and 18 and 2 by 81, 2 by 27, 2 by 9. These are two series. This one nth term and this one. This is the one of the GP and this one is another GP. These nth terms are same. So we have to find n. Suppose seventh term, for example, seventh term is 9. Here also, in this series also, seventh term is 9. So here we concluded seventh term of these two series are equal. So we have to find nth term. So A is equal to 162. R is equal to A2 by A1. 2 8 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 27 ja, 9 3 ja, 9 9 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. That is equal to 1 by 3. AN means AR to the power of n minus 1. 162, A means 162, R means 1 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 1. Okay. Here A is equal to 2 by 81, R is equal to 2 by 27 by 2 by 81. 2 by 27 into 81 by 2. 2 cancel. 27 1 ja, 27 3 ja. 2 by 27 by 2 by 81. 2 by 27 into 81 by 2. Cancel 2 and 2. 27 1 ja, 27 3 ja. R value is 3. So given nth terms of both these nth terms are equal. So here an is equal to er to the power of n minus 1. A means 2 by 81. R means 3 power n minus 1. Okay. Given an is equal to an. What is the first case? In first case we got 162 into 1 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 1. 1 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 1 and 1 by 3 to the power of n minus 1 both are same is equal to 2 by 81 whole to the power of into 3 power n minus 1. Take 2 by 81 left side, that means 162 into 81 by 2 is equal to 3 power n minus 1 into this 3 power n minus 1 is dividing. If you send this side, it will multiply 3 power n minus 1. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. So here 2 1 ja, 2 81 ja. We can write 81 as 3 power 4. 3 27 ja, 3 9 ja, 3 3. So 81, here is 2 81s there. 3 power 4 into 3 power 4 is equal to, this one is a power m into a power m plus n. N minus 1 plus n minus 1. A power m means n minus 1, n means n minus 1. In between m plus n, that means a power m into a power m. Here minus 1 and 3 power a plus m. A power m into a power m plus m. 4 plus 4, 8 is equal to 3 power n plus n, 2n minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. As the bases are same, powers must be equal. 8 is equal to 2n minus 2. 2n minus 2 is equal to 8. 2n complete. 2n is equal to 8 plus 2. 2n is equal to 10. 2n is equal to 5. 2n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 by 2. N is equal to 5. So fifth terms of these two ABs are same. (162, 54, 18). Nth term is 162 into 1 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 1. 1 by 3. R means 1 by 3. In this series also, A is equal to 2 by 81, R is equal to 3. 2 by 27 into 81 by 2. 2 to cancel, 3 1 ja, 8, 9 3, 9, 27 1 ja, 27 3 ja. R is equal to 3. So A is equal to R power n minus 1. These two are equal. In the question given, question itself is given. So we are equating these two. Take 2 by 81 this side, it will become 81 by 2. By cancellation with 2 81 ja. 81 means prime factorization, 3 power 4. 3 power 4 into 3 power 4 is equal to, here if we are taking 2 by 81 this side and sending 1 by 3 power n minus 1 this side. 1 by 3, here is dividing this one. If you send that side, transpose it will multiply. 3 power n minus 1 into 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 3 power n minus 1 plus n minus 1. Here n plus n is equal to 2n minus 2. This one is 3 power 4 into 3 power 4 is equal to 3 power 8. Yeah, the bases are same, powers must be equal. 8 is equal to 2n minus 2. 2n minus 2 is equal to 8. Here, I completed here. 2n is equal to minus 2 will become plus 2. 2n is equal to 10. 2n is equal to 10, n is equal to 10 by 2, n is equal to 5. So, fifth terms of these two series are equal. If you have any doubt, you check. These two series will be. So that means nth term of this series and nth term of the second one series both should be same. Okay. Next, find 20th term and nth term of the GP. Five by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8 and so on. This is in GP. We have to find 20th term and nth term. A is equal to 5 by 2, first term. R is equal to 5 by 4 by 5 by 2. That is equal to 5 by 4 into 2 by 5. 5 cancel. 2 1 ja. 20th term, A20 is equal to AR power 90. That is equal to A means 5 by 2 into R means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole to the power of 90. So this is the answer. Nth term, AN is equal to AR power n minus 1. A means 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1. Okay. Which term of GP 2 comma 2 root 2 comma 4 and so on is 128. Here A is equal to 2 and R is equal to A2 by A1. 2 root 2 by 2. 2 to cancel. That is equal to R value is root 2. So which term? Here third term is 4. Second term is 2 root 2. First term is 2. Similarly, which term is 128? We have to find n. AN is equal to given 128. What is the formula for AN? A into R to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 128. A means 2 into R means root 2 whole to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 128. 2 into root 2 means 2 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 128. 2 into 2 to the power of 1 by 2 into n minus 1. N by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 7. 2 to the power of n by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 7 by 2. 2 to the power of n by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 to cancel. 2 to the power of 6. As the bases are same, powers must be equal. N minus 2 by 1 by 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 6. LCM 2, n minus 1 is equal to 6. N minus 1 is equal to 12. n is equal to n 12 plus 1, 13. So 13 term is 122. Again, a is equal to 2, r is equal to root 2. A is equal to 128, a into r power n minus 1 is equal to 128, a into, that means 2 into root 2 whole to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 128. Next, 2 into root 2 means 2 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1. 2 into 2 to the power of n by 2, 1 by 2 into n by 2 minus 1 by 2 into 1, 1 by 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 7. Transpose it 2. If you send 2 that side, it will divide. 2 power 7 by 2 power 1, 2 power 6. 2 power n by 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 6. As the bases are same, powers must be equal. N minus 1 by 2, LCM is 2, n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6, n minus 1 is equal to 12, n is equal to 13. 13th term is 120. Next, in a GP, third term is 24. A3 is equal to 24. And sixth term is 192. A6 is equal to 192. Find A10. A3 means AR square is equal to 24. Let it, this one is 1, equation 1. A6, AR power 5 is equal to 192. Equation 2. So 2 terms is given. We have to find the 10th term. Equation 2 by equation 1. AR power 5 by AR square is equal to 192 by 24. A cancel. You know the formula A power m by A power n is equal to A power m minus R power 5 minus 2 is equal to 24 by 192. By cancellation, 8 3 ja, 8 2 ja, 8 4 ja, 2 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 8 ja. That is equal to 8. 192 by 24. 24 1 ja, 24 8 ja direct. So R cube 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 means 2 cube. As the powers are same, bases must be equal. Powers are same, bases must be equal. R is equal to 2. So we have to find 10th term. A10 is equal to AR to the power of 9. That is equal to A means we have to find A. A value is unknown into R power 9. 2 power 9. So R value is 2. Substitute R is equal to 2 in first equation. A into R square is equal to 24. A into 2 square is equal to 24. A into 4 is equal to 24. A is equal to 24 by 4, that is equal to 6. R value is 6, A value is 6. So, A means 6 into 2 to the power of 9. This is the 10th term of 6. So the class is over. Bye, students.